Finally, the Lamborghini Urus ride-on car is here. This little ride-on has all the features you are expecting from RiiRoo ride-ons, from integrated media centers to true 12-volt power to excite even the biggest Daredevils out there. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, original brand stickers and badges. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.